All right, moving forward, folks. Now I'm another topic, which is blend testing. So in uh again, this is not a tutorial. I'll say it's a kind of devlog, so to say, and being the fact that trying to just talk about what I've done, not necessarily trying to explain how I did it. And this is just for me to like get started with having conversations. So the most important thing here is what I say how the code is this here. So we talked about, I don't know, I didn't talk about that, but we have enable depth test, enable GL blend. So this is what makes our blending possible. So first of all, let me uh comment on this, guys. So I had this before, and I'm going to run what I have. And okay, so this is what I have. This is what I have. They all have transparency. Okay, so we have this the window with red color has transparency. The grass here, the grass here has transparency, and this guy here has transparency. So let me off here and on this guy back. Once I have this on back, save at L5, and voila. So all the transparency is showing. So another thing I'm still trying to fix is why these other textures keep disappearing. Something I'll see how to look into, but I have a reasonable result here. Okay, and I'm happy with the outcome. So thank you, and this is the end.